I love you. Are we matching today? Huh? I love you. What are we doing today? Yeah? I know. Yeah, what else? What else are we gonna do? Today is Sunday. We're gonna be playing with Ava's best friend. She wants me to hold her. Okay. We're matching. And it's really nice out. It's like 65 degrees, or it's almost gonna be 70 today. So we might take them to the park, or I don't know. We're gonna do something and get them outside and they can play together. And I'll be vlogging the day just so I can have this as a memory to look back on when they get a little older, and I think it'll be nice to look back on it. So we're gonna have fun, and I'll just vlog the day that we have and the adventure with 2 one-year-olds. I also wanted to show you my favorite salad that I've been eating like literally every day. So first I put some organic spring mix, and then I put some avocado in it. I don't know if you can see it. And the wonton strips, that makes it. The shelled walnuts and some cranberries just to make it a little bit sweeter. But the dressing is definitely the key to the salad. It's the Panera Asian sesame dressing. It makes it so good. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a little salad recipe that I've been liking. She likes this chip. Oh, are you gonna share? She's feeding her. Aww, you sharing? Aww. Say cheese. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna run out and get one more chocolate, okay? In your bow. You guys ready? Yeah. We got the bag. We got diapers, wipes, snack, bottle, water. What else? What else do we need? Huh? What else do we need? Oh, we found matching socks. Yes. Aspen. Look how cute you are. Ava. Okay. Yay! We're going to the beach. Come on, it's just sand. It's okay. Come here. Look. Oh my goodness.
Mom, look at Aspen. Oh my goodness.
I'll hold your hand. Okay.